And catecholamine release is important for lipolysis. Therefore, as soon as somebody comes and tells that I am comfortable with the diet you have provided, then I am uncomfortable. Because that means catecholamines are no more releasing. I always tell my patients, let some hunger be there. Don't take appetite suppressants. Lipolysis will happen when hunger is there. Means hunger is what? Demand of the brain. When brain is demanding that it needs energy, so brain will do everything in your body to provide that energy. And then catecholamines will be released, the hormone cycle will go in that direction, and the lipolysis would happen to give the ketones to the brain. But if you eat right away, brain will get the glucose from outside and no fat will be broken down of the body. It is as simple as that. तो कहते हैं कि हम सैलड खा लेते हैं, हम इसबगोल पी लेते हैं. So I say that don't even go in that direction of satiety. Let that hunger be there. So what I typically tell my patients, don't keep the food cooked at your home. Don't keep the food cooked at home. And one the principle है, you are not going to order from outside. So don't keep the supply always there. So think like an animal instinct. So when you are feeling hungry, then you think, okay, should I make the food? Spend your 10-15 minutes in that, thinking of what should I make. By that time, counter-regulatory mechanism will start happening. Catecholamines will go up. You may feel a bit jittery, don't worry about it. I will not let you die. Don't worry, you won't die. And if you die, that means you are not supposed to survive. Because then you are really very weak. 15 minutes of hunger, who huh? Then, so you are jittery, now you think what you want to make. So don't keep any ready food at home. Farsan, chips, no. Kitchen, change the kitchen concept. Everything should change. So in 15-20 minutes, your hunger pangs will go down. Then you will think, should I make or not? You will think yourself, should I really make or not? Therefore, even over here also, I never wear watch. And I don't keep watch. I don't let anybody go. Okay, let the hunger subside. That is lipolysis should happen. Then you think what you want to make. Then you make. And once the food is ready in front, then you think you want to eat or not. It's not that your hunger is gone and you are still eating. Now you are saying, because see why hunger has gone? The fuel has come. If it has come, then why you need it? Okay. And then you are eating. That is impossible. Food is in front and you are not eating. So you eat lesser portion. So what already restricted है, अब जितना चाहिए ना, जितना लगता है, उससे कम खाओ. बस. Follow this. No need to click a photo, send to us कि मैं ना